Tonight at the Quick Speed Shop, we're having a Floorjack shootout. What I got here is I got some of Harbor Freight's finest, the biggest Floorjack they got, and one of the smallest Floorjacks they got. And here's my jack that I've had probably for almost 20 years at least. It's a Craftsman Floorjack with the matching jack stands, which are over there buried around. But it's a Craftsman Floorjack. It was sold by Sears, Craftsman. It's made in China, just like these other ones are. And it's worked good pretty much the whole time I've used it. And the one problem it had is the spring, which holds up the handle, broke. So the handle won't stay up unless the jack is starting to pump here. It'll stay up then, but when it's just sitting around normal, it won't work. And the other problem with it is the height of this. A couple of my cars are too low to get under here. So I wanted, for two things, I wanted to get some new Floorjacks. One, I wanted a lightweight jack for taking around. I have some mini steel jacks, which I have stashed in vehicles, like my van when I go on trips, for my trailer. And then my F-250, I've got one in there, but they're behind the seat and all packed away in there. I didn't want to be yanking them out every time I needed to go outside to use a jack. So I've been lugging this monster around, and I'm not sure how much it weighs, but it's all steel. It's heavy. It's probably 60 pounds at least. So I had to take this. I had to take it and carry it around outside, rolled around, and so I'm going to be opening up this aluminum jack, which will be a lot nicer for going out in the backyard or in the other barn or in the driveway. And then I bought this 3-ton sucker, this monster, which weighs over 100 pounds. I've hurt my back already 3 times moving it around, but it's a Dayton 3-ton long travel, I guess you'd call it, extended Floorjack, and it's also low profile. So I think this is going to be my main jack inside. And this one will be a little carry-around job to run around and do it. So let's unbox these and check them out. Guy's a big one. Man. So this guy, I think, was $189. I had a 20% coupon. Just so you know, that 20% coupon, at least at my stores, doesn't apply to the Dayton or Daytona Floorjack. So I expected to get it for like $155, and I had to pay full price. So anyways, they got this for $189. This one is regularly $79.99, but it was on sale this week for $59.99. So $60 and almost $200 for this guy. So we'll open up the little one first. It's the, we'll zoom in for the action here. Here we go. Aha! Got our instructions right on top. A little bit of cardboard. Ooh, a cardboard wedge. Look at this. It's good for your lightweight trailer loading applications. Probably not. That's empty. Got our jack handle here. There's a nice padding on it. The other half of our jack handle over here. 2-piece handle, which it's got a little spring-loaded detent right here. There we go. And the jack is pre-assembled, ready to go. Oh, there's surprises in the box. So here we are. It's got a single roller in the front, 2 casters in the back. Got a little shipping bracket mounted in here. Let me jam the handle in here. Take it out. There's a little plastic shipping bracket in here. We'll take that out. Oh, there goes a heater. Alright, we got a little thumb screw here. Crank this guy down. It should lock the handle in place. Yep, there we go. Get a close-up shot of the action here. Got a nice little rubber pad here. We got a universal joint. Some kind of sweet action in here to run the tightening and the untightening. You got a spring assist to help with the handle. So I'll go ahead and I'll crank it down tight. It's pretty fast action on it. Goes up to 14 inches high. Alright, that's it right there. It's got a nice anodized finish, I would assume, because it's aluminum. This is probably steel here. Yep. So the jack portion is steel. The body is aluminum. The rollers are steel. This is aluminum. The handle is steel. It's not real heavy. Got some nice action going down here. So, got a nice carrying handle. You can take it, grab it by here by the handle. So, overall, nice unit, easy to pick up. It's gonna be good for doing the small jobs outside. So let's open up the big dog here. Now we got the big dog here, the 3-ton unit, 24 and a quarter inch lift height, extra low profile 3 1/4, which the other one I think is 3 1/8, so it's pretty close. 35-inch reach. This thing should be good for getting under lots of low things here. So it's pretty heavy. Like I said, it's over 100 pounds. So just be warned, it's heavy. So we'll go ahead and we'll open the box. We'll attempt to open the box. Oh, it appears to be restrained with tape. Where's my knife? Plastic tape on the other side. It's on me. It's on me. Alright. That should do it. Aha! Here it is. Here we go. So same thing. We got our handle, a nice foam covering on it here. Same style as the aluminum jack. We got a pin to push together right here. There's our handle. Here's our destructions. Nice styrofoam. Look at this guy. It's heavy. There's tape in here too. What we got here? Got some tape going on here. See if I can wrestle this out of here. It's fighting me. Bam. Ooh. I can tell you right away, it rolls with sweet action. So the same thing here. Got to put the handle in. This one's got a bolt here. Back the bolt out. Engage the handle. Tighten the bolt down. That's got it. Got my little shipping bracket here. Take that out. Now this jack also has a nice foot pedal here for action. I'll show you how that works. So we'll crank it down to tight. Sweet foot action. And this thing goes way up in the air, 24 1/4 inches. That's pretty tall for a Floorjack. So tall you can't even see it. There it is. We'll pull back, we'll do a good shot, but I like this too. It's nice, nice reach. It's coming down, nice and long. So let me go ahead and I'm going to lay them all up side by side, and we'll do a little shootout action. All right, here we go, fully assembled. Got my original guy right here. It rolls pretty stout. This one's heavier, but it seems to maneuver nice. It's got lower profile front wheels, and then this little guy is so light and little you can pick them up and throw them where you want. Do a little comparison test here. This guy, 5 3, about 5.5 inches, compared to 3 1/4, and I believe 3 1/4 for this as well. Yeah, so 2 inches lower here on both of these, are 2 inches lower than this. That's really going to help me out a lot. My 37 Buick, this will reach under the nose and get the suspension real easy. Also my 46 Studebaker truck, I had to either drive on a block of wood or go in from the side and jack up like on the side of the car because this is just too high. So these will both get under there, under the low cars, and work good. This extended reach is nice because before I'd be out of travel at 15 inches, and this one, if you go all the way back to the handle, you've got 25 inches of reach. And if you go back to the rise, you're still about 18. So I picked up quite a few inches of travel here. This little guy is still 14 and a half, so I'm only half an inch shy with the little jack than I am with this full size one. So that's going to be good. So let's see how they pump up. First I'll go with the old guy. See how many pumps we get to full height. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 36, 37, 38, 39. I think that's about it. So say roughly 40 pumps to get this guy, oh my springs broke, to get this guy all the way up. So we'll go with a little aluminum jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. 4.5 to full height. That's a lot faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. 8. 8 pumps to full height. So you can see the action is a lot faster with these new jacks than my 25-year-old Craftsman jack. And let's race them all down to the ground. Need 3 hands. Here we go. Those guys are dropping. This guy's, he's pretty fast. About even race all the way down. This won't stay up. But a lot faster action on these two guys. Let's check out the foot pump here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pumps on the foot jack to get the full height. So that's pretty cool too. You can be under here holding on to other stuff and run it with a foot pump. I like the action of this going down, nice controlled smooth action. So there we go, a Floorjack shootout here at the Quick Speed Shop. Got my old standby for direct secondary use now. Still works good for the most part, except for the droopy handle, no problem. My new outside jack and travel jack for doing all kinds of things, lightweight and ready to go. And my new monster 3-ton jack, low profile and high lift at the same time with a foot pedal. This thing's pretty awesome. So I hope you found this useful. I'm pretty excited to use all these. So if you want to, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. The button's going to be over here. Bang, hit it right there on the orange jack. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so you always got something to look forward to. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.